Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Fire Stick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install not 1 or 2 or even 3 or 4, but 5. Yes, 5 essential streaming apps for your Amazon Fire TV device. This will keep you entertained for hours. So if you're ready, grab your remote and let's get to it. And remember, you can pause the video if you need more time. First, we're going to head to the home screen of your device and make our way across to the search icon. In the search bar, start typing the word downloader, and after a couple of letters, it should appear at the top of the list, so go ahead and click on it. Click on the icon, you can't miss it, it's the big orange one with downloader written on it. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that like and subscribe button, it only takes 2 seconds, but helps out the channel massively. Before we open up Downloader, we need to enable some hidden settings to make it work. So hit the Home button, make your way across to Settings, and then down to the My Fire TV icon. By default, the developer options are hidden. Just enter the About section and tap on the device name 7 times. Hit the back button and you should now see they have been enabled. Once inside, go ahead and click Install Unknown Apps. You can now go ahead and switch the toggle to On for Downloader. You may have seen a lot in the news lately about streaming movies and IPTV online, so we would always recommend using a VPN with these apps. We personally recommend using IPVanish, and by following the link in the description or in our bio, you can get up to 83% discount, and it costs just a couple of dollars a month. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IPVanish, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IPVanish.
Just click the link in the description to register and ensure your privacy. Okay, so from the home screen, make your way across to your newly installed Downloader app. Once you've clicked on it, wait for it to load, and when you get to this screen, make your way up to the search bar and click on it. Now you need to type in this code exactly as you see it on the screen. This is the link to the APK file we need. Once you have typed it, hit go and wait for the APK to download. I've sped this section up, but just follow the on-screen prompts to install the app once it's downloaded. When it's finished, hit done, and now we can delete the installation files. There isn't a lot of storage on some of these devices, so it's good housekeeping to keep them clear of unnecessary files taking up space. Now, if you go back to your home screen, you will see your new app installed. If you go ahead and open it up, you will see just how much content there is on offer here. That's the first app in our list. Don't worry. Now that you've gone through the process of installing an APK via Downloader, I'm not going to make you sit through the whole thing again for each individual app. I'll just go through the process of entering the downloader codes. But remember, if you get stuck on anything, you can always go back in the video and check for any steps you're unsure of. Okay, so as before, head to Downloader and enter this second code and hit go when you're done. Like earlier, just follow the prompts to install the app, and remember to hit Done instead of launching the app so we can delete those install files. Afterwards, head to your apps and you'll see the new app is there. Click on it and you will see the insane amount of channels and events it has to offer. Okay, so that's app 2. Now let's get back to Downloader and enter the code for our third must-have app. Again, here's the code you need to enter, and as soon as you're done, just go as before and follow the prompts again to download and install the app, remembering to delete the install files. Head back to the home screen, then head to your apps and take a little look. There is enough content here to last you a lifetime. But we're not done yet. So far we have a couple of on-demand apps, a sports app. But we need some live TV. So head back to Downloader. I'm sure you know the drill by now. Before we continue, if you need any extra support, then why not consider joining my channel membership? Members not only get cool badges and priority replies, it also helps support what I do, and you get cool perks. Joining costs less than a cup of coffee, and unlike coffee, you get my eternal gratitude. Okay, so here's the code. Remember, if you're having trouble remembering any steps, or you need more time, you can always pause or rewind the video to double-check any steps you're unsure of. You know what to do. Just follow the prompts as before, then click Done and delete the install file. If you'd like to take the app for a quick test drive before we install our last one, then just head to the home screen. Then your apps, and you will see there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, for you to choose from. Okay, now head back to the Downloader app and enter this code for our last app in this tutorial. I hope you agree that there's plenty of content here, and between them all, I'm sure you can get just about any entertainment you need. Don't forget, it's highly recommended to use a VPN with these apps. Not only does it ensure your online privacy, we have also teamed with IPVanish to get a 83% discount, which means for less than the cost of a cup of coffee, you can ensure your online safety.